Congratulations on purchasing the Accompt Finance Tracker. This easy-to-use budgeting software will help you get control of your finances by allowing you to track your income, expenses, savings, and debt all in one place. To get started, the first thing you need to do is install and activate your software. The Accompt Finance Tracker is available on multiple platforms. If you purchased directly from us at spiderhouse.dev, you will have received the links to download your installer, as well as the activation key on the order confirmation page. The download link will also be on the receipt that was sent to the email you provided at time of purchase. If you purchased from a third party such as Etsy, there will be a link within the download file that was provided at purchase. Click that link to be taken to the software activation page. On this page, select the name of the platform you used and enter your order number in the provided field. Once submitted, you will receive your activation code as well as links to download the compatible installer for your device. Be sure to download the installer, copy the activation key, and store it in a safe place. This information cannot be displayed through that form again. Once you have the installer, extract it from the zip file and run the installation. Windows users may see an unrecognized app warning about the software. This is normal for new apps, and it is safe to continue. Simply click More Info and then Run Anyways to proceed. Once the installation has completed, you will be prompted to enter your activation key. If you don't have it, you will need to follow the link and create an account to recover it. Enter the activation key and click Activate to unlock your app. Once you have successfully activated your software, you will not be prompted to enter it again. You can now enjoy full access to the Accompt Finance Tracker and can begin setup.